It's been an honor to serve as your elected prosecutor in Monroe County. As prosecutor, I've worked hard to enforce the law fairly and equally, to pursue justice for crime victims, and to hold criminals accountable. Under my experienced leadership, the prosecutor's office continues to work effectively with local law enforcement agencies and other community organizations to address important public safety issues. My highest priorities have been to improve the community response to crimes of violence, including sexual assault and domestic violence, and to deter crimes against children and the elderly. We're fortunate in Monroe County to have a prosecutor's office that works well. During my time as prosecutor, I've built a team of skilled, competent, experienced professionals who are highly motivated to protect and promote the public safety of this community. I've personally conducted jury trials in serious felony cases, including murder. I've run the office, I've done the work, my administration has been tested in serious cases involving violent crimes, and we've consistently risen to the occasion and met that challenge. It's important for people in this community to know that we have a prosecutor's office that will meet the challenge when the outcome really matters to the public safety of this community. I have the experience and leadership skills to ensure that we will continue to meet that challenge in the future. I also served as chair of the Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council Board of Directors while the state legislature comprehensively updated Indiana's criminal law for the first time in almost 40 years and received an award for outstanding leadership in that role. Because of my involvement, I understand the challenges we face under the new criminal laws, and am ready to work at both the state and local level to effectively meet those new challenges. My leadership has been recognized in the community. I received the 2014 Sharon Brem Alcohol Awareness Award from the IU Division of Student Affairs, the 2010 Outstanding Legal Professional Award from the Indiana Coalition Against Sexual Assault, the 2009 Visionary Leader Award from the Greater Bloomington Chamber of Commerce, and the 2008 Outstanding Service Award from the Campus Community Commission on Alcohol. As prosecutor, I've worked to create important new resources and promote public education and crime prevention efforts that help make this a safer community. I often say an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, that it's better to prevent bad situations from occurring in the first place than to react after the fact when somebody's been victimized. That's why I organized a public education project on children and technology to give parents resources about information on topics like sexting, cyberbullying, and online privacy. That's why I organized the Get a Ride drunk driving prevention campaign and worked with the hospital to create new resources to improve drunk driving enforcement. I've developed several initiatives to better address crimes against the elderly, with projects on financial exploitation, home improvement fraud, identity theft, and hiring an in-home caregiver. When I took office, Bloomington, Indiana, a Big Ten university town, did not have a sexual assault response team. I saw that critical need, and I brought together community stakeholders and in 2009 organized a sexual assault response team and worked with the hospital to create a sexual assault nurse examiner program for specially trained nurses to offer forensic medical exams to sexual assault victims. Those were major improvements in our ability to respond to sexual assault incidents in the community, developed under my leadership. We needed a child advocacy center with specially trained staff to conduct forensic interviews of child victims and witnesses and assist in the investigation of child abuse cases. I saw that need and worked with stakeholders in the community to open the doors of Susie's Place in 2011. That dramatically improved the ability to investigate and respond to allegations of child abuse in our community. I saw that we needed a better way to dispose of unused, unwanted, and expired pharmaceutical drugs in our community. I came up with a plan and brought together partners to create the Monroe County Pharmaceutical Safe Disposal Program. That new resource won the statewide 2013 Local Government Cooperation Award from the Association of Indiana Counties. These resources were all developed recently during my administration. As prosecutor, I've been actively engaged as a community leader. I've developed good working relationships with the university, the hospital, the schools, social service agencies, senior organizations, and many others to create these valuable new resources. I've lived in Monroe County for 30 years, and I know the community. I had the ideas and brought people together to make sure that it got done, and it's made a difference. The good news is I still have more ideas to continue improving public safety, and as prosecutor, I can help make those ideas happen. That's the value of community leadership. That's why I'm running for re-election. That's why I ask for your support to continue serving as prosecutor in Monroe County. Thank you.